Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to yet again another cooking video. Go figure why I keep making these. I'm not even close to being a cook. Today we are attempting another Moroccan delicacy, Melwi or Rghay or Msemen or stuffed Msemen, stuffed Melwi. If you can see, I put the ingredients up on the screen. Feel free to pause. Alright, let's start. For the dough, you're going to need semolina, which is optional. You don't need to add it. Flour, a little bit of salt, some baking powder, and a pinch of sugar. Add warm water progressively while mixing it with your hands or a mixer until it becomes homogeneous and doughy. I find it really relaxing to play with dough like that. Of course, you can skip ahead if this disgusts you. Yeah, so just keep mixing it like this until it becomes one unit. You can use the stand mixer for dough, I just don't have it. My mom showed me this technique. It is a workout though. Make sure you read the description for an explanation of what this is. It's a wrap that is stuffed with sometimes vegetables, ground beef if you prefer. This version is a vegetarian version, so just onions and stuff like that. Roll it into a ball. Put some oil on your surface. Wrap your dough and let it rest for about 30 minutes. For the stuffing, you're gonna need one onion. Cut it into really small cubes or put it in the food processor like I did at one point. I just got really frustrated and my hands started to hurt, so I shoved everything in the food processor. The onion is gonna need to cook down earlier than everything else, or at least that's the way I do it, because onions can be too strong for me. I like to cook down a lot of the aggressiveness in the flavor before I add anything to it. Red pepper, green pepper, zucchini, carrots, and garlic. Add everything together. I'm adding harissa, but it's not mandatory. Ground ginger, paprika, salt, pepper, and ground cumin. Of course, also that's optional, but it really adds an authentic Moroccan flavor. Mix everything together, let it cook until the water from the peppers and from the onions has completely reduced and it's all just a thick sauce. We're gonna start splitting our dough ball into smaller balls. A little bit of oil on your surface. Make the dough into as thin as you can layer, making sure not to break it. Of course, if you do break it, that's completely fine because this is going to be layered, like folded onto itself. Some stuffing on that first layer. Fold it twice, and you can add stuffing in between each layer. That's it. See, I ripped one, but that's fine. can use a cast iron skillet for cooking. I just use my usual pan. Heat it up, medium or low, so that it doesn't burn right away. Then put it on a pan, keep flipping, and that's it. You have yourself some stuffed melwi. If you notice, there's stuffing in between each layer and it's really flaky and delicious. Well, I hope this video was helpful, or at least informative. Thanks for watching. See you next time.